Mother Nature.
No one told you that was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke, your love life's the old way. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. When it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you like I've been there before. I'll be there for you 'cause you're there for me too.
Max, what do you think?
I did not want to come here today.
Yes, this morning we woke up and it's Memorial Day weekend, and we had nothing planned. So we came on this fabulous adventure up here into the mountains. And it was a great family time. We learned a lot about each other.
It's true. It's true.
I am so itchy.
Is this poison ivy? No, we're good. Throughout the video, you should just be like itching yourself. Like,
Fight my butt with that.
Crisp water,
that's soda.
but it's filled with water.
Can I have some water?
I don't want to be here right now.
Water. You need to stay hydrated up here in the mountains. It's with this altitude, it's very, very risky. You can get altitude sickness quite fast if you're just dehydrated.
Where is that?
Just dehydrated, you can lose your mind feeling. That's all I heard from you. What is that white thing in the tree?
Kaylee, ready?
What is that? Right there.
Are we taping? Are we taping? Here we are again, a year later, with my friends Katie and Steve, and then they decided to bring their lovely children. They aren't so lovely.
Hey, I'm ready. I can
Stay hydrated.
Okay. Gotta be careful of this river. Okay. That was scary. It was water.
Follow me.
I think we go
Don't
down
follow
further
him.
and cross where it's flatter.
You should put this side.
Okay.
She pushed. So. Hello.
There's this bug and it does not.
I'm about to die now. Can't do it. Okay. What are you doing?
No filming. No filming. No camera.
Cruella de Vil, Cruella de Vil. If she doesn't scare
I love the mountains. I love the roses. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love to be with you when all the lights are low.
I don't know that.
I love the mountains.
Mom, I can add this to my collection.
Cause you can learn to fly on the way down. I'm bringing sexy back. Yeah. The mother boys don't know how to act. Yeah. I think it's special what's behind your back. Yeah. Turn around and I'll pick up the slack.